Hello again, it's Rochelle here from the Photographer Society. So in this week's blog, I'm going to help you increase your prices if you're at that stage that you feel like you want to increase your prices, but you don't know how, or you're worried that you're going to lose clients. Well, this episode is for you. So I'm going to show you how to increase your prices without losing any clients. So let's get started. So usually when we want to increase our prices, it always feels like we're going back to step one, trying to convince people or justify ourselves in our business and why we want to increase the prices. And those that have already booked with us just simply don't understand. So over the years, I've learned that when I gradually increase my prices, say every 6 months or every year, I've learned ways that I'm going to share with you. And these are just 4 ways that you can actually increase your prices without losing clients. We're going to try and help you to lose as less as clients as possible, but you will always find that you will lose clients. Look, even though clients love you and they are happy to pay your new prices, you'll find that if they find something somewhere else where that sparks their interest or their pocket, you'll know that they will go to them if they choose to. So that's a whole different story. But in this episode, the focus is trying our best not to lose clients when we increase our prices. So the first thing you need to do is give your current clients and audience and those that follow you and that are on your mailing list or that follow you on Facebook or Instagram or wherever, give them a certain time where the news can reach everyone. So I usually give them around 2 weeks, and I always mention it with a post that I put on my Facebook page. I will mention it, put like a PS, prices will increase by, give them a date and let them know that if they choose to book you after that date, they won't get the current prices. So in that way, you'll find some people that are thinking of booking, say a 6-month or a 1-year session or whatever it is down the track, they will tend to book you beforehand so they lock in those prices. And that's a good way to increase bookings during this time. Number 2 is always let people know and explain to them why you're increasing your prices. Things like your business is growing, you have had to buy new things in your business, you've had to hire someone. So for me, when I first started to increase my prices, I wanted some help with my admin work because I wanted to keep learning of how to shoot and pose and do all that stuff in my business. I found that I was lacking in admin work. So I wanted to hire my first virtual assistant, and I told my clients during those 2 weeks that I'll be hiring staff to help me with my running my business so I can grow my business. Therefore, this is one of the reasons why I'm increasing my prices. Now, the thing is, I see a lot of photographers be apologetic. You do not have to apologize. This is your business, and in a business we don't start a business to stay small. We actually start a business to grow. So don't be apologetic about it. That is the most important thing. Number 3 is show value with the increases. So once you increase your prices, you might just increase the rates and not change anything around like your packages and your offers. But if so, it's always good to show the value that justifies the prices as well. So if you're just, let's just for example say you're giving away 10 images in a package and it costs $1,000 and that's it. So 10 images on USB, that's it. Where's the value in that? Yes, it's a digital file. They can take it and print and do whatever they want. But the good thing is, and I found that when I add value to my packages and show people what's inside my packages and what they get value for their money, like the likelihood is they will see that you are growing. When starting out, you might just add digital images and some prints, but when you start adding products and things like that, it actually shows the value in the price. So that's another tip to do when changing your prices around. Number 4 is that with increasing prices in your business, you'll find that with every increase as you go along in your business, new clients will come, and those that started off with you before your price increase will fade away. So you will find that with or without price increases, a flow of clients will come in, then leave your business, then another bunch of customers will come in and leave again. you'll only find a few that will stick to you. I found this over the 7 years of being in business, that a few will be committed to you as their family photographer or their baby photographer or whatever. So you'll find that with or without price increases, you will always come across new clients, and those old ones might just go away because they stopped having children or they found someone else. So don't find that just because you've increased your prices, you're not keeping those same ones. With or without increases, I found that you get new clients and the old ones just fade away and go and leave and might not even come back. So always think about and another thing is, I should mention that you will reach a certain price point where you're comfortable at as a business at that stage in your business. So until you reach that comfortable rate, I would suggest staying there for a while, just so you don't complicate things if people were to come back. So I hope you enjoyed these 4 tips of how to increase your prices without losing clients. I have a freebie for you, and this freebie is some ideas that I put together of how you can add value to your services and your packages next time you want to increase your prices. And that way it'll help you keep those clients and bring in more new clients as well that are happy to pay what you're asking for. So you can go download it. The link should be somewhere up or above this video. Download it, it's totally free. Get some ideas next time and have it on hand, so next time you increase your prices, you'll have it there for you. Okay, so next week I'm going to be sharing with you in the blog how automation can increase your bookings. So this is really good to watch once you have downloaded that freebie for this week's blog, because automation is the number one process that helps me turn those window shoppers, or those that are not quite certain they want to book in, or those that are still shopping around. So automation helps me increase my bookings, and I'm going to share all my tips with you as well. So stay tuned until next week. Remember, go download that freebie below this video, and I'll catch you guys next week.